Okay, good morning, students. Today we are working with natural commands in SQL using set theory. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about the symbolic notations for relational algebra. So, what are the symbolic notations? Just we have to refer all. By using SQL commands, we have to implement some of the queries. Okay, so what are the relational operators here? Select operation, project operator, union operators, intersection operator, minus operator, or the difference operator, Cartesian products, rename, and the types of joins. Means what are the types of joins here? Inner join and outer join. Three more inner joins are there and three more outer joins are there. What are the types of inner joins? Theta join, equi join, and natural join. What are the outer joins are there? Left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Okay, we have worked in a SQL prompt practically. Just we have to see. Uh, just we have to see the SQL prompt. SQL command line. Maximize the screen layout and font 12:6. There. Just see the SQL prompt is visible or not. Anyone can reply in the chat box. SQL prompt is visible or not? Is it visible or not? Just anyone can reply in the chat box. SQL prompt is visible or not? Tell me, ma. Tell me it in the chat box. Anyone, participants? Participants. Anyone can reply in the chat box. Our SQL prompt is visible to your screen or not? It is visible. Thank you. Just we have to first we have to connect our system. Okay. First, by using connect command, we have to work on this connect. What is our username? System, and it will ask what as well. So my as a password. Okay. So now the system is connected, right? So next we have to take what the type of inner joins and what are the types of outer joins. First, before going to joins, we have to create the tables because two tables are needed for joining, right? So that's why we are creating two tables. Here, create table, create a table. First, we have to create a table. Table name is uh, num square. NS refers to num square. Okay, here num square. What are the values for the table is number. Means number is which data type you have to do. Number is number data type square. You have to calculate square. Square is also as number data type. So based on the data type, you have to create it. Just you have to see the structure of that table. Number square. There are two columns for the table. So at the same time, you have to create one more table that is nothing but cubes table. It is also having first number. After that, we have to calculate cube. Cube is also a number. Just you have to see this. These are two tables, right? As num cube, you have to see num cube. Okay. Now we have to insert the values of those two tables. First, insert into ns values means first table values. First, we have to enter into the table like what? 2. What is the 2 square? 4. Enter. One row is created. If it is 3, square of 3, 6. Enter. One row is created. If it is 4, then it is 4 square. 4 for the 16. The values. Sorry, here the 3 is wrong, right? So we have to create one more, right? Uh, 3 is a 9. Okay, 9. So to delete that row, delete from ns where square equals to 6. One row is deleted. Next we have number square table. There are three tables, right? 2, 4, 3. Okay, these three you have to observe. Next we have to observe what? Cubes table. You have to insert cubes values, cube values, NC, cube values, 2 cube. What is 2 cube value? 8. Next 3. 3 cube value 27. Next. For example, we are not giving 5 number here. We are giving 5 number instead of 4. What is 5 cube value? 125. Okay. So now we have to select the table. Here, right? Select the values for number cube. Okay. So these two are the two tables, right? One is square table and one is cubes table. So the numbers are some difference. Here 2, 3, 4 is there, 2, 3, 5 is there. Now we have to perform the join. So what are the types of join? Why, how we have to perform the joins? First, we have to put out the outer join. First, you understand first. Okay. Select start from ns join select star from nc means we have to combine those two tables. Next, what is the output here? Okay. Okay. No need of select here. Select ns join nc. Here, comma is enough. Okay. So ns nc means ns having three fields, right? Nc having also three fields, right? 3 into 3 9 means total 9 rows are selected. Each row with NC. Here observe 2 4 is mapped with 2 3 5. 2 4 6 mapped with 2 3 5 and 3 9 is mapped with 2 3 5. Are you observing? So next, this is nothing but here normal join. Next, you have to enter with normal natural join. Just you have to observe this because there is two num fields are there. Two same fields are to be present for normal join. In natural join, we have to remove for normal natural join NC with NC, right? So here you have to observe what are the matching tuples between those two tables has to be displayed. Because what here you have to observe, here you have to observe what are the matching tuple fields. NS having 2, 3, 4 fields and NC having 2, 3, 5 fields. What are the common fields here? 2, 3 is the common fields for num. So those two tuples only has to be displayed for natural join. Just observe the output of natural join and normal join. What is the output of normal join? Total 9 fields are selected because 3 rows are for NS and 3 rows are for NC. The output is 3 into 3, 9. Okay. So like this way, we have to observe here. What are the common tuples? Here is nothing but 2, 3 is the common tuple. So that will be displayed here. So next we have to observe for uh, equijoin. Equijoin or theta join is nothing but based on the condition, right? So just we have to display based on the condition equijoin, right? Join. So equijoin, right? NC A N dot num equals to NC dot num means if there is two equal numbers, then only the output will be there. So here you have to observe the difference between natural join and equijoin. Here we have to put equal condition for this same thing, but here 4 fields are there, here 3 fields are there. The common field can be eliminated. Duplication of common field can be eliminated by using natural join, but the duplication of the same field can be observed at equijoin. This is the major difference between natural join and equijoin. Next, we have to observe for these two tables outer joins. What is meant by here? You have to observe less than or equals to means theta join is there. Theta means condition equal to, not equal to, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. First, here you have to observe if it is less than means what is the output. If it is less than means what is the output? It has to be combined all fields. So 2, 3, 4 are the less than the NC fields. So it has to be displayed 3, 5. Okay. Just here you have to observe outer joins. Outer join. First you have here invalid table name. What is invalid? Okay, outer join with NC, right? Wait, wait a little bit. So here you have to observe on what columns are common for these two fields. NS num equals to NC num. What are the common columns you have to put there? NS right? NS num, yes, invalid identifier. Okay. Here. Full outer join, we have to observe. Means left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Three outputs you have to observe. Just here you have to observe the same table, like what is the output of first table and what is the output of second table. Here you have to observe those three. So here three rows are there and three rows are there for NS. NS having 2, 3, 4 fields. Just here you have to observe left outer join. Left means all the tuples related to left table has to be came and the related matching tuples are to be came. The unmatched tuple having null values are there. Observe. Right outer join means all the right tuples are there. The matching tuples of left side are also to be present at the output. Remaining all unmatched tuple having put null values. Having put null values. Here you have to observe full outer join means all first left tuples are to be displayed and then right tuples are to be displayed. What are unmatched tuples having put null values automatically. Here you have to observe all types of outer joins, full outer join, left outer join and right outer join, full outer join. Everybody understand these are the basic two tables and the output of those three tables with the practical implementation by using SQL RAM. So all of you understand this. Anyone can reply. The types of outer joins and the types of inner joins are explained. Are you understand? Anyone can reply. Are you understand the total joins? After that, I have worked with set operators. This is very, very important topics, joins. All of you understand the output and the related joint concept. Anyone can reply in the chat box now? Who is Meghna Rajan? Just rename yourself with your roll number. నాన్న ఏమీ అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే మీరు అసలు వినలేదు అని అర్థం. ఏదో కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏదో పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే that is the meaningful. Okay, I didn't understand means so yesterday I have explained in theoretical manner, now I have to explain in practical manner. First you have to see, student, first you have to see how to and insert the table. I have to take two tables, right? Like this we have to take, because we have to take one common field for those two tables, because if we want to join any tables, they must and should we have to take one common field, right? So that's why we are taking as number same data type. Square is different columns, cube is different column for these two tables. if we have to perform left outer join, means join means what? So in normal join, what is our right table? Means 3 into 3 9. That is the output. Here you have to observe normal join. Here you have to observe normal join. This is normal join. So here 9 rows are to be selected. If we want to perform any condition, means natural join means we have to eliminate the common field. For equijoin, we have to present for this field, num field. Okay. Then we have to go for outer joins. So here you have to perform left outer join. What is the first type of outer join? Left outer join. Left outer join means n is having three fields, right? That should be present. What are the matching tuples for right side also to be present? Matching tuples means 2 is there for num, 2 is there for num, 3 is there for num, 3 is there for num, but 4 is not there in cubes table. So that's why it is not present. Okay, so this is the way we have to put null values on these fields. Okay, at the same time, right outer join means right side data has to be displayed and the left unmatched tuple has to be put null values. So in the same manner here you have to observe full outer join means all the left table has to be filled first. The respective unmatched tuple having put null values. Next, we have to perform what are the unmatched tuple for the left side has to be put null values on the left values. Here you have to observe these three full right left outer join and right outer join, full outer join. Vamshi, unmute yourself. Ask any questions. I have enabled allow participants to unmute themselves. Vamsi, you have unmute yourself. Then you have to ask questions. Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now you have to perform in the same manner. You have to perform what I have problem with my screen. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, then go. Okay, next. We have to observe with the same theory unions means union operator like star from means two tables data has to be displayed by using union operator NC. So this is the means what here either the tuple present in NS or either the tuple present in NC has to be displayed. So choose has to be displayed. So here no need of displaying all things. Num is enough. So here 2, 3, 4, 5 means either it is present in NS or it is to be present in NC has to be displayed union. At the same time you have to observe intersection. intersect. What is the keyword you have to use for intersection? Intersect. So what are the common fields for those two tables here? 2, 3. What are the means? 2, 3, 4 is present in NS. 2, 3, 5 is present in NC. The duplications are not allowed for union operator. Every condition is applicable for union. So you have to observe the same thing as intersect. What are the common things? Means 2, 3 is only the common fields, common tuples for NS and NC. So now you have to observe minus. What is the exceptional case for first table? Here you have to observe minus. Minus means difference. Means 4 is not present in right side table. It's only present in left side table. So that is the output for set difference. So here, what is other thing here? Cross product. Cross product means just we have to put those two tables only and see. MBS defined. Start and stop. So that, start means every fields has to be displayed like join. Cross product is act like a join, means 3 fields are present in NS and 3 fields are present in NC, 3 tuples. So 3 into 3, 9 tuples are to be present. First you have to observe how the output will be matched for cross product. Just here you have to observe. Here you have to observe 2, 4 has to be mapped with 2, 3, 5. 4, 16 is mapped with 2, 3, 5. 3, 9 are mapped with 2, 3, 5. Like it is a normal join. Cross product act like a normal join. All of you understand what is the set operators? So select project means these are the normal conditional way of SQL statements. Everything. For relational algebra, there is a symbolic notation to represent the queries. Here in SQL, we have to use commands to execute those queries. Okay, symbolic notations are not acceptable here for execution. Practical manner we have not to prove because machine only can understand those type of language. Okay, all of you understand. Is there any doubts in relational algebra? You can ask. You can ask me. No doubts, ma'am. So finally, we have to commit to save the data in a permanent manner. After that, we can close it. Next, we have to exit from there. Tomorrow I'll explain relational calculus. Okay, thank you.